Okay, so earlier I put in this window here. It's still drying. What are my words? So it's still drying. But it's in. And then now this window wasn't going up or down. It was just bouncing around freely in there. And so I took it apart, and this wire busted from that little base right there. It broke, and then right here, there's a little piece. So this piece here, it goes like this, and then it comes there. It comes in through this little wheel, and then it attaches right up in there, right there. But anyway, it busted, so now I went to O'Reilly's and I got myself a brand new one. It was like $161 or $100.61 for this new piece, and I'm about to put it in. So it's being held up by some tape, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be all right. This is the new little family truck outing to go camping and whatever, so yeah. A little Dodge Dakota 2001 V8. It's pretty clean. I'll make a video later. This is very simple to put back in. So it goes in first here, and then you put the motor in. There, it's in. Now I just gotta twist it up. Now I put the motor. Oh, you know what? I gotta remove this one here. Fuck, I forgot. Okay, so I took it off. Now you put this little motor in there. And then this one, put it in there. Tighten it up a little bit. There it is. Now I gotta attach the window. Yep. Put those in, and then attach the window. Okay, I already got it in. I already got these bolted in. I'm about to put in these screws for the window. I dropped it down and it landed right in there. So yeah, I just gotta put that one in and put this one in, and then connect everything back up, and it should be good. There it is. I got the window, the door, put all back together. Easy as that. Very simple. There's a screw right there. There's a screw right there. There's one right there. And there's another one right there. And just pop those off. The whole door comes right off. Just pull up and out. That's it.